Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to hide or remove Meta AI from WhatsApp on your device. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In first method, open WhatsApp on your device and tap on three dots top right corner of the WhatsApp. Now tap on settings. Now go to chat settings. Here turn off toggle button in front of show Meta AI button to hide logo of the Meta AI. If you want to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp, so go back to chat section. Now press and hold on Meta AI chat. On the top some options will appear. You tap on delete button. Now confirm again to delete Meta AI. You can tick on also delete media received in this chat on this device. Now tap on delete chat. Meta AI will be removed from WhatsApp. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.
At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.